everybody! Welcome back to another video with GoPro 33. This is my sister Maya.
Hi.
And my dog Rocky. Get out of here, Rocky. Today, we're doing a car racing video. So we're gonna have our pull back cars be racing. First, we're going to introduce the cars. First up, we have a Lamborghini Miura. And the door's open on them. Next up, we have a Pagani Huayra. Then we have a Lamborghini Murcielago. The doors fell off. Don't ask questions. Next, we have a Lamborghini Huracan. And then a McLaren 720S. A Lamborghini Veneno. Another Lamborghini Miura.
That one's mine.
Yeah. And a Lamborghini Gallardo. Are super good. Okay,
you can have
wait.
that.
We're gonna.
Do you want the orange one? I think she has it. Yeah,
I'll race them. So they start from this line, pull back, and then let go. Oh, the Gallardo did not do so good. Off course. The Pagani Huayra is going. Will it get off course? Nope. Next, the Lamborghini Miura. Oh yeah, he beat the Okay, next up is another Lamborghini Miura.
That
Go.
one's mine.
Oh no, looks like the Miura almost. Rocky, stop, Rocky. That is my rock. My Rocky? My dog? Rocky, go. Time out. Commercial break. Commercial break. Go, Rocky. Commercial break over. The Lamborghini Huracan, aka the fastest car. And okay. And go. Oh, there it goes. Oh, with a bad crash. Oh, that's gotta suck. Next up, the Lamborghini Veneno. Off he goes. Oh, and off course. Off course he went. Rocky. Okay, next up we have a McLaren 720S. Go. Oh, looks like something was messed up with the engine. Last but not least, the Lamborghini Murcielago. Go. Oh, almost off course, but not off course yet. Okay, let's go see 3-man elimination. Oh, sorry, McLaren. The McLaren is out. Okay. Next, the Lamborghini Gallardo is gone. And, looks like a tie between the Lamborghini and the Huayra. What do you think? Comment down below. Who's in last? looks like he is, but from this angle, you can't really tell. Let's do a line with the iPad. Guys, I'm gonna do a line with my finger. Pagani is out. Pagani Huayra. It's gone. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. This was just the first round, normal round, cars. Comment down below if you want to see more. Probably not. More BTG battles in Minecraft. But just gonna see how you guys like. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.